Essentials of Data Transmission. Module 6. Amplitude Modulation. General Signal Equation. This slide shows the general signal mathematical equation. Amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is the process of changing the amplitude of a relatively high frequency carrier in accordance with the amplitude of the modulating signal, information signal. AM modulators are nonlinear devices with two inputs: high frequency carrier signal of constant amplitude, low frequency information signal. The output of AM modulator is called modulated wave, and its shape is called AM envelope. It is often used for commercial broadcasting of both radio and video signals. AM waveform. This slide shows the process of amplitude modulation. AM waveform. The AM waveform reaches maximum value when the modulating signal amplitude is at maximum value. The AM waveform reaches minimum value when the modulating signal amplitude is at maximum negative. The repetition rate of the envelope is equal to the frequency of the modulating signal, and the shape of the envelope is identical to the shape of the modulating signal. Frequency spectrum. The frequency spectrum of amplitude modulation double sideband full carrier is shown as in the slide. Frequencies between F carrier minus F M maximum and F carrier is called lower sideband LSB. Frequencies between F carrier and F carrier plus F max is called upper sideband. The bandwidth of amplitude modulation double sideband full carrier is 2 times FM maximum. AM signal does not contain modulating frequency. Modulation index. Modulation index is an indicator to describe the amount of amplitude change modulation present in an AM waveform depth of modulation, basically stated in form of percentage. It is defined mathematically as M is equal to EM divided by EC, where M is modulation coefficient, unitless. EM is the peak change in the amplitude of the output waveform voltage. EC is the peak change in the amplitude of the unmodulated carrier frequency. Percent of modulation, M, capital M equal to M times 100%. In this slide, we'll see the meaning of modulation index visually. Modulation index and signal power. This slide shows modulation index and signal power. Power distribution. The average power dissipated in a load by a carrier signal, unmodulated carrier, is expressed as shown in the slide. The total power, PT, distribution during a modulation process is affected by modulation index and defined as shown in the slide. Power at sideband frequency is defined as shown in the slide. Classifications of amplitude modulation. Double sideband full carrier DSB-FC contains upper sideband USB, lower sideband LSB, and carrier. Double sideband suppressed carrier DSB-SC contains only LSB and USB. A circuit that produces DSB-SC is a balanced modulator. Single sideband SSB contains either LSB or USB. Produce efficient system in terms of power consumption and bandwidth. The receiver parameters. Selectivity. Measure the ability of receiver to accept a given band of frequencies and reject others. Sensitivity. Threshold value minimum RF signal that can be detected by the receiver. Dynamic range. Input power range over which the receiver is useful. Fidelity. A measure of the ability of a communication system to produce output signal that is a replica of the original source information. AM demodulator. It is a circuit that accepts a modulated signal and recovers the original modulating signal. It is a key circuit in receiver and also called as detector. Widely used AM demodulator is diode detector by means of diode rectifier. The demodulator must meet three requirements. It must be sensitive to the type of modulation applied at the input. It must be nonlinear. It must provide filtering. AM demodulator. AM waveform contains only three frequencies: the carrier frequency, the sum frequency, and the difference frequency. The modulating signal is contained in the difference between these frequencies. The factor addition of these frequencies provides the modulation envelope which approximates the original modulating waveform. It is this modulation envelope that the diode detectors use to reproduce the original modulating frequencies.